Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked topic: hidden male health symptoms that many doctors may miss. It's essential to recognize these subtle signs, as they can be indicators of underlying health issues that, if left unaddressed, could lead to serious consequences. By shedding light on these symptoms, we aim to empower men to take charge of their health and encourage open conversations with healthcare providers. As we explore these hidden signs, we invite you to reflect on your health and consider whether there are any symptoms you've been ignoring. Remember, being proactive about your health is the first step toward a longer, healthier life. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. I appreciate your support. Unexplained fatigue. Chronic fatigue is more than just feeling tired after a long day. It's a persistent state of exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. Unlike normal tiredness, which is temporary and often linked to lifestyle factors, chronic fatigue can signal underlying health issues that need attention. Conditions like sleep apnea, where breathing is interrupted during sleep, or thyroid disorders, which can disrupt your metabolism, are common culprits. If you find yourself feeling drained day after day, it's crucial to listen to your body. Don't brush it off as just stress or aging. Seeking medical advice can help identify the root cause of your fatigue and lead to effective treatment options. Your health deserves attention, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. Changes in libido. Fluctuations in sexual desire can be more than just a regular part of life. They may indicate underlying health problems. Various factors can affect libido, with hormonal imbalances being a significant contributor. Conditions like low testosterone or changes in estrogen levels can lead to decreased sexual interest. Additionally, stress and mental health issues, such as anxiety or depression, can profoundly impact sexual health, making it essential to address these emotional factors. If you notice persistent changes in your libido, it's necessary to communicate openly with your healthcare provider. They can help identify any underlying issues and suggest appropriate treatments. Remember, discussing sexual health is vital for overall well-being, so don't hesitate to seek support. Mood swings. Emotional changes like mood swings can often be linked to physical health issues that deserve attention. Hormonal changes, such as those experienced during puberty, menopause, or even thyroid imbalances, can significantly affect your emotional state. Additionally, conditions like depression can lead to persistent mood fluctuations, impacting daily life and relationships. It's crucial to recognize that mental health is a vital component of overall well-being. Emotional distress can manifest physically, and vice versa. If you find yourself experiencing severe mood changes that interfere with your life, don't hesitate to seek help. Talking to a healthcare provider can provide insights and support, helping you navigate these challenges. Remember, prioritizing your mental health is as important as caring for your physical health. Digestive issues. Gastrointestinal problems, such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, often signal serious health concerns that shouldn't be ignored. While occasional digestive discomfort is common, persistent symptoms may indicate conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or food intolerances, which can significantly impact your quality of life. These issues can also be linked to more serious conditions, such as inflammatory bowel disease or even certain cancers. It's essential to monitor your digestive health closely and pay attention to changes in your body. If you experience ongoing symptoms, don't hesitate to consult a doctor. Early intervention can lead to better management and treatment options, ensuring that your digestive system and overall health remains in good shape. Remember, your gut health is a crucial part of your well-being. Sleep disturbances. Sleep issues are more than just a nuisance. They can indicate broader health problems that require attention. Disorders like insomnia or sleep apnea can be linked to conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and even obesity. Poor sleep quality can disrupt your body's ability to regulate insulin and hormones, leading to serious health consequences. It's essential to recognize that quality sleep is a cornerstone of overall health, affecting everything from mood to immune function. If you find yourself struggling with persistent sleep disturbances, it's crucial to seek solutions. Whether it's adjusting your sleep environment, practicing relaxation techniques, or consulting a healthcare provider, taking action can help improve your sleep and, in turn, your overall well-being. Prioritize your sleep Your health depends on it. Skin changes. Changes in your skin can often reflect internal health issues that shouldn't be overlooked. Signs such as rashes, discoloration, or unusual growths can indicate underlying conditions that require attention. For instance, persistent rashes may be linked to autoimmune disorders, while yellowing of the skin could signal liver disease. Additionally, changes in skin texture or the appearance of new moles can be associated with diabetes or other metabolic issues. Paying attention to these changes is essential, as your skin can provide a window into your overall health. If you notice any concerning symptoms, don't hesitate to consult a dermatologist. Early detection and intervention can lead to better outcomes, so prioritize your skin health as part of your overall wellness journey. Joint pain. Unexplained joint pain can be more than just a minor inconvenience. It may be a symptom of severe conditions that require attention. Potential causes include arthritis, which can lead to chronic inflammation and joint damage, or autoimmune disorders like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis, where the body mistakenly attacks its tissues. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial in managing these conditions effectively and preventing further complications. If you experience persistent joint pain that interferes with your daily activities, seeking medical advice is essential. A healthcare provider can help identify the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment options. Don't ignore the signals your body sends. Addressing joint pain early can significantly improve your quality of life and overall health. Weight changes. Sudden weight loss or gain can be a red flag for underlying health issues that shouldn't be ignored. These fluctuations may be linked to metabolic disorders, such as hyperthyroidism or diabetes, where the body struggles to regulate weight effectively. Hormonal changes, particularly during puberty, pregnancy, or menopause, can also contribute to unexpected weight shifts. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall well-being, as it impacts everything from energy levels to heart health. If you notice significant changes in your weight without any apparent reason, it's essential to track these fluctuations and consult a doctor. Early intervention can help identify any underlying conditions and guide you toward effective management strategies, ensuring your health remains a top priority. In this video, we explored the importance of recognizing hidden health symptoms in men, from unexplained fatigue and mood swings to digestive issues and joint pain. These subtle signs can often indicate serious underlying health problems that deserve attention. We emphasized the need for proactive health monitoring and encouraged you to listen to your body and seek medical advice when necessary. Remember, taking charge of your health is essential for a longer, healthier life. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these health insights. We can promote awareness and encourage open conversations about men's health. Thank you for watching.